In order to know the bones of a city, you have to know every brick of its story, the central pulse that connects a community. You have to look up toward its universal ceiling through the wondrous eyes of a child. Detroit is a city of innovators who showed the world how to put large dreams on wheels. Traveling up south people with faith in their stride, pride in the tilt of a hat, the ones who hurdled over hardship and had the heart to still lead. Sometimes you must move with great intention, with force, with tears, fiercely into the unknown in order to survive. Michigan Central Station is more than a stained glass memory of our mothers and fathers. It is the bustling new center of the future of global mobility, a destination spot for creatives, a meeting place for the most brilliant. What better place to revolutionize the core of Ford Motor Company than on top of our inspirational real-world streets of possibility? This can't be done alone. We need all of you to show up. Search for inspiration. It's under the hood, inside our chests. We are the bold ones, ready to build the world we are moving into, not the one we've always known. Unafraid to go back to our beginning in order to push triumphantly into the future. Imagine the body of our car as a body of a people, painted with thousands of extraordinary colors. Ideas fueling our machines that drop off the most important little people in the world to elementary schools at 8 a.m. every morning. We will never forget when our busy streets turned empty. Bird songs drowning out the morning commute, later to be filled up with the sound of resistance. Our resilient bones, an assembly line of interchangeable parts, a metropolis of ideas, our minds, the workstations of the future right off Michigan Avenue. A place that remembers how we arrived will create the powerful roadmap to where we must go next. Welcome to the mobility capital of the world. Welcome home. We can't get there without you.